Welcome to Atomic
Puff Ranger!
I'm John Anthony, but you can call me as...
I'm Janelle Alessandro, and you can call me...
Naman, si Miss Cruz talaga.
Wait, si Young Amber yun, di ba?
Young Bird, what's wrong?
Yeah, what's with the nalilito face?
We can figure out this assignment Mrs. Cruz given to us.
I agree. Sobrang confusing niya.
Really? What's the topic all about ba?
It's all about how elements spark a technological revolution.
Well then, let us tulong you with that, right?
Yes, I agree with you, Mamu.
Okay, let's go. Alam niyo ba guys, na everything sa world natin, from smartphones to lasers, is made out of atom theory?
Yup, at lahat ng bagay is made of atoms. At para mas maintindihan din natin, we also need din to know ang periodic tables, ang map ng elements.
Wait, atomic theory? Periodic table? Ano yun exactly?
Oo nga, it's so far from us, Mamu.
Did you know that you have never actually touched anything in your entire life? Atoms have electrons that are negatively charged. Since like charges repel each other, the atoms in your hand and the atoms in your chair are actually pushing away from each other. So, when you sit down, you're actually hovering a tiny invisible distance above your chair on a cushion of electric force. So, hindi mo talaga nahawakan si Crush. Ang atoms mo lang yun. Believe it or not, the air in this classroom actually has weight. Even though atoms are tiny, there are trillions of them in the air. Right now, the weight of the air passing down on your shoulders is roughly equal to carrying a small car. Why don't you feel it? Because there are atoms inside you pushing back out with the same amount of force. Akalain mo yun? Hindi pala mundo pinapasan mo kundi trillions of atoms.
Una, meet Democritus ng 400 BCE. Well, sabi niya nga, tiny particles are made of atoms called atomos. Parang tiny building blocks ng universe!
Pero guys, back then, wala pa silang experiments, ideas lang. Pero imagine, without these ideas, hindi natin malalaman ang atoms today.
Next, si John Dalton ng 1803. Siya ang nag-propose ng all matter is made of atoms. Atoms of the same elements are identical. Atoms can be in the fixed ratio.
Dahil dito, we can make chemicals for medicine, manufacturing, lahat!
10. Joseph John Thomson discovered the electron gamit ang cathode ray tube. Plum pudding model niya ang style.
Electrons? Parang sa computer ba yon?
Oo, electronic smartphones. Even TV may electrons involved.
Ernest Rutherford, 1911, Goldfall experiment niya proves na ang atom may small dense nucleus. Because of this, manos na natin kung paano mag-work ang nuclear energy at radiotherapy.
Grabe, ang dami nangyari.
Parang isang adventure pala ang atom.
Now, let's talk about periodic table. Dmitri Mendeleev, 1869, organized elements by atomic mass and event predicted undiscovered ones.
Today, elements are rearranged by atomic number and some are synthetic like man-made elements for medicine and research.
So, periodic table, para siyang guide for all elements.
Yes, and with it, we can predict chemical behavior, mag-make ng new materials, and even build a future tech.
Wow, I didn't expect that atoms and elements are this exciting.
Exactly! Atomic theory plus periodic tables equals foundation ng technology and science na ginagamit natin araw-araw. Well guys, baka iniisip nyo, why does this matter to me?
Why does this matter to me? Now it starts with its technological impact.
What does my phone have to do with atoms?
Oh dear! Without understanding how electrons move, your precious cell phone will just be an expensive rock.
Oh, so my phone is just useless without atoms?
Seems like you already get it. Now let's move on with its social impact. Social impact? Salamat sa atoms, mas connected pa tayo than ever.
Wait, I don't get it. How atoms us in social life?
Ganito yan, dear. It is simply because we mastered atoms. We have the internet to communicate, since that saves lives every day.
Without atoms, we will not be able to have this.
So, that's why atom is a big help to us. Now I get it.
That's good because now we're moving on with its environmental and economic impact. Do you know that atoms can save the earth and create many jobs for people?
Huh? How is that even impossible?
I don't think atoms can do that.
Nuclear energy can create a massive power.
Regarding to jobs, atomic science created millions of it. From engineers creating Tesla batteries and doctors treating cancer. It's a billion industry.
What? That's so cool!
Wow! I will never underestimate atoms again.
Sabi ko na, atom is so powerful. But Spider-Man's uncle said,
With great power comes great responsibility.
that atoms give us clean energy, but it also give us nuclear weapons.
That's right. We have to be the smart generations to use the power safely, smartly, and ethically. We have to handle radioactive waste so we don't hurt the earth.
Yun na yun? Ba yan? Well, to wrap up our show, always remember this, dear. Atomic theory and periodic tables aren't just pages in textbook. They are the foundation of our modern time.
One last question. In what ways do atomic model influence our daily lives? And how do they shape the technology we depend on and the decision we make as a
So
society?
thank you for that wonderful question. Atom serves as instruction manual for our modern world. By understanding electrons move, we created microchips that power your smartphone, which makes technology.
Without the smoke of coal, help us fight climate change.
Oh, so atoms are not only powerful, but also helpful and essential for us. Thank you for your answer. I surely gained knowledge.
Well, that's it. Salamat guys sa pakikinig at pagkatuto kasama kami. Sana marami kayong natutunan at nalaman mula sa amin.
Before we go, we want to give you one thought to chew on. Since everything depends on atoms, from the smartphones in our pockets to the energy in our homes, how will you use this knowledge to make and help this world? Use this knowledge to gain mali yung ano ko.
Sorry, ulit. Shape. Technology. Ah, wala na, no? Wait lang. Mamaya muna.
Wait lang, sorry.
Teacher pala ang atom.
Cut na yun, di ba?
Nuclear energy can create sorry.
Now, let's look at your phone right now and
Never underestimate atoms again.